Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Facamword wireless spy camera. You can get this product on Amazon for about $46. Check out the link in the description. The camera comes with a USB charger, a USB charging cable, a hook and a short instruction. The hook can be used to hang the camera wherever you want to. If you insert a micro SD card, you can record videos even if you don't have a Wi-Fi network. First, I fully charged the camera. The camera doesn't have a charging indicator light, but according to the manufacturer, the charging time is about 5 hours. The camera works with the eSmart Link Home app, which you can download from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Unfortunately, you have to register with your phone number or email address. I prefer camera apps where you don't have to create an account. Setting up the camera and connecting it with your Wi-Fi network is pretty easy and only takes a few minutes. When the camera is working, the blue indicator light is visible. Fortunately, you can turn off the indicator light in the app to make the camera more hidden. I use the camera to watch my front door and it works pretty good during the day. It also works good during the night when there's no light in the room. I also tested the camera outside during the day. It works good, but the colors are a little bit strange. I tested the spy camera for about a week and I think it's an interesting product. It's small, lightweight, and the picture quality is not too bad for such a small camera. I'm not a big fan of the camera app. There are a few things the manufacturer should improve. I wouldn't use this camera as a replacement for my surveillance camera, but if you're looking for a small camera with motion detection, loop recording, night vision and a rechargeable battery, I would recommend the Facamword wireless spy camera. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.